Deleting a Facebook page is a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure you're performing the steps correctly. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and navigate to the bottom right corner, where you'll find three horizontal lines. Tap on them. Before proceeding, make sure you're logged into your page, not your personal profile. You'll know you're on the right account if you see a small flag next to your profile picture. Once you're on your page, scroll through the options until you locate the Settings and Privacy section. Tap to expand it, then select Settings. In the list of options, look for the section labeled Your Information. From here, tap Access and Control. This will take you to the page where you can manage your account and page settings. Now, select Delete Page and tap Continue. Follow the on-screen prompts by tapping Continue at the bottom of each page until you reach the section where you're required to enter your password. Input your password when prompted, and on the final screen, you'll see a button labeled Delete Page. Tap on it, and your Facebook page will be scheduled for deletion. And that's it. Your page will be deleted. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.